You ask me what's up, I'm just hanging out. I'm more of it. Yeah. I took my shirt off. I don't know if you guys are black. How you doing?
Okay, sir, if I could have your name, spell your last name and position, please.
Yeah, Arturo Swadner, Lieutenant, San Diego Police Department, Watch Commander's Office. My last name is spelled S-W-A-D-E-N-E-R.
Thank you, sir. Can you tell me what happened?
Yeah, officers responded to a report, or several reports, of gunshots on the 100 block of, I forgot the name of the street.
Rhoades
Court. On arrival, the helicopter arrived first, saw a male in probably in his 40s in the backyard going in and out of the garage. At one point, several neighbors said they heard him say he was going to kill himself. There was a female seen in the backyard with him, so we were concerned that he was going to hurt the female. Officers set up perimeter. The helicopter did some call-outs. The gentleman walked out to the middle of the street. Officers walked in and took him into custody safely. So we haven't recovered any firearms at this point, but we do have some shell casings in the yard.
Okay. So where do we go from here?
So right now, what's going to happen is we're going to attempt to get a gun violence restraining order. The gentleman was placed under arrest for negligent discharge of a firearm within the city limits, and we're waiting for a detective to roll out and finish the process.
And no injuries or...
Nobody's injured, thankfully. He discharged his firearm into the ground, allegedly, at this point.
Do we know where he discharged it at?
In the front yard. Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the way down, arms to your side. Arms to your side, do not move. Do not move. You, go inside your house.
Stay right there, Michael. I ain't fucking moving. I'm on my porch. Angel! I'm recording it. I'm recording it.
I know. Mom. Angel, go first. Get here now.
Don't worry about it. I just smelled out.
Get in the house.